Hi, Samantha, and everyone over there at MasScarves. I hope you're doing well. My name is Charles, and Anthony just connected us through the NKCDC program with funded by Wells Fargo. And I just wanted to introduce myself real quick and shoot you a short video because I found your website and I was thinking of just a couple of things that would help increase your presence. Hopefully, if you'd want to work with me, we're gonna have a more in-depth discussion and talk about, your goals and exactly what you'd want. Yeah, but just first of all, I just wanted to give just some three basic recommendations that apply with almost every website, and hopefully, when we talk, we can get into more. So the three things I want to talk about right now are content, citations, and backlinks. First thing is content. Everything on your page is content. And the reason I'm talking about this is because to get yourself more and more recognized on Google, put in front of those kind of searches that are relevant to you, you have to work on these three things. So that 90% of people use Google to search for local services, local products. 70% of them do not leave the front page, so it's important to be up there. So first, I just wanted to start with content. Content is everything that I've highlighted in blue, all your text, images, the text behind the images. For example, if I save one of your images, I can see it saved as just a random string of letters and numbers. To optimize with Google, it's important to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your pages, not just your front page, but all your pages. On your front page, 1,000 to 1,500 of authoritative text that says who you are, what you do, locations you serve, the products, any specials you might have, etc., and to saturate it with keywords. And I'll get into keywords in a second. This is so that Google knows what I'm talking about. Content is so that Google knows to put that you're relevant for certain searches that are being done. So, for example, if I was looking for a local scarf made in Philadelphia, I would type something like local scarves, Philadelphia. Now, this search, these words, this text that I typed in here, this is a keyword. A keyword is a phrase that someone types into Google to search for whatever they're looking for. So this keyword and other keywords, it's important to do research, find out what your competitors are being recognized for, which keywords are they're being recognized for, and what keywords your target audience is searching for. This is what's known as keyword research, so that you can include those on your site and on your front page, and also the other back pages that you want to be recognized for. Next thing I want to talk about is citations. Now let's go back to the search. So when someone types in a keyword and searches, first thing you'll see are Google ads. Google ads are always hit or miss. And I say that because a lot of people these days have ad blockers. However, they are a good way to get quick leads as well, because you're automatically in the front page no matter where you rank organically. They're also pay-per-click. So with Google ads, I would say sometimes it's very easy to lose a lot of money if you're in a niche that is really expensive because it's pay-per-click. However, if you're getting a good return, that doesn't matter as long as you're getting a good return. So citations have to do with what's known as, I misspelled scarves. Sorry. Citations has to do with what's known as the map pack here. Now, the map pack consists of 3 businesses and a map of the local area. If you hit on more places, or sometimes it says more businesses, you'll see more businesses that are further down in the map pack. So how do you rank higher and higher in here? It has a lot to do with citations. Citations are anywhere on the internet that you're in any directory that your name, address, and phone number, your business name, your business address, business phone number are cited in different directories online. Directories like Better Business Bureau, Dexnos, Superpages.com, Yellowpages.com, etc. Even Yelp is considered as a directory. Yeah. So the higher in number and the more relevant you have citations you have, the higher you'll rank here. There are tools out there online that you can use to look at your competitors for certain searches, to look at your competitors, find out what citations they have, make sure you appear in those directories. But to kind of beat them and be more upfront, be shown up front at the top of the map pack, you need to have more than them so that you stay on top of the game of your game. Third thing I wanted to talk about are backlinks, and backlinks have to do with this section down here, the organic listing section. Backlinks. A backlink is when a different web page, if you think of the internet as a whole, as a group of web pages all linked together, when one different web page links to yours, directing traffic to you, that is a good backlink. That is a backlink, sorry. Backlinks are not all good, or they're not all the same, because if it's a McDonald's linking to you, Google recognizes that, can see, oh, there's this site that's totally different from yours, not as relevant, connected to you, and Google sees that as kind of spammy and will reduce your relevancy. Though if it's like a fashion forum, or if there's a fashion show at the convention center and they have a blog up, and that's a robust blog that links people to your site, then that's a better backlink. So again, like with what I do in trying to increase your presence online, I would go to my tool. Like I said, it's called Ahrefs. Let's take this one person, copy the link address. This is definitely a competitor of yours, and let's go to my tool Ahrefs. I would analyze their backlinks, their backlink profile. This tool analyzes websites and different keywords to see who's ranking for what. So enter here. You can see that they've only got 3 referring domains that give them 50 backlinks. So I'd enter here. Make sure that you also appear on these other backlinking pages. Not only that, you want to double or triple the number of backlinks that your competitors have, so that you can start ranking higher than them. Google likes to see things happening organically, so I would definitely not dump like 50 backlinks on your site just to compete with your competitor here. Rather, slowly, organically add them. 8 this week, 10 next week, 4 the week after that, etc., until you've beaten them. And then this organic keywords shows us the keywords that Google is recognizing this site for. So you can see something like Masks Philly has about 500 people searching for that every day, and they get 0 traffic because they're in the 59th position on Google. So that's basically it. That's what I wanted to show you. Samantha, thanks for watching this far. Again, it's citations, content, and backlinks to work on, and there are a couple of other things we can do. I look forward to hopefully connecting with you. I hope this has just helped you understand a little bit of what goes into making you more, making your presence more visible online for your target audiences. Again, it's not just enough to have a beautiful website, but it's important to target it for these kind of searches that your competitor is doing. I want to just take one last minute and look at keywords here. I want to search this one keyword and see how many people are looking for that every month. Local scarves, Philadelphia. There's not that much of a search for it. Let's see, just scarves in Philadelphia. There's not much volume. However, this is part of what I do. I'd go over and find out from possibly your competitors, find out what people are searching for, and make sure those kind of keywords are appearing on your site. All right, take care. Thank you very much. Again, my name is Charles, and I am going to just contact you within a few minutes.